Hello world, this is What's Up 2190, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install custom or modified PC Steam game, Origin game save files on Windows 10, and this should also work on Windows 8 or 7. So, for an example of this, what I've done is I've gone here and downloaded a modded save file that has everything unlocked of the Steam version of Grand Theft Auto Vice City. So, once we have the file for the game that you want to install the custom save file for, the good news is that everything is pretty easy from here on out because, unlike a game console, Windows doesn't really have any tricky mechanisms to bypass for replacing files and all that. So once you have the file for your game, I just have it here. We just want to edit copy. Now this might be an important thing to note. If you haven't played the game that you're trying to install the custom save file to, there's a possibility that it might not yet have created the file directories where we need to copy this file to. So if we go where we're about to go and you don't see the save and you don't see the folder for your game, you might want to make sure, one thing that you might want to make sure that you've done is played the game to the point of where it's saved progress at least once. The exact location might differ slightly, but generally speaking, PC games create save files in your documents folder. So what you're going to want to do is just go to your documents folder, and then you're going to want to close the game if you have it open, then go to your documents folder and search for the folder where your game saves the progress to. And then, like here, I just clicked on GTA Vice City user files. Now, it already has my save file in there, so if you don't want to lose that, if you don't want to lose your current save file, my advice would be to back it up somewhere else, like your desktop or something. And then all we need to do is just copy GTA Vice City user files, and then copy the game user file to that folder, and then that's it. Next time you start the game, it should have that custom save file installed. So that's about it for this video. As I said, the location of the folder might differ slightly depending on exactly which game you're talking about, but should be the same relatively. Again, this is Windows 10 that this was performed on, but this should work on Windows 8 and 7 as well, and it should be pretty much the same. So, hope you enjoyed the video. This is What's Up 2190, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.